Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add story on Facebook. So go to your home page, and then as you can see, there is a create story button here. Then you can select some pictures. You can select multiple pictures by selecting select multiple, but I'm just going to select this one, and then select continue. You can add filters, you can add text, stickers, music, you can add effects like so, you can draw, you can also tag people, and then you can also save it. But once you're done, you're just going to select share to story, and it will be shared to my story like so. And that's pretty much how you can add story on Facebook. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!